Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Peter was the youngest among us, and he put up a hell of a fight. I could not be prouder than I am right now of him, and how well he did in a competition versus people who are literally old enough to be his parents. But let's send him off with a good cocktail. Now, he told me that his favorite cocktail is a Jamaican Negroni. Another name for that is the Kingstone Negroni, and that is a Negroni using rum, specifically Jamaican rum, instead of gin. It makes a beautiful cocktail. We're gonna stick kind of close to the classic. Let's get started. Now we are gonna start with our rum. Smith Cross, an excellent Jamaican rum. Now we're gonna go 1.5 ounces, or 45 mils of our Smith Cross. And to switch it up just a little bit, we're gonna add in the Plantation rum. It's the Plantation Dark. This is a mix of Barbados and Jamaican rum. Gonna add a little more sweetness to our cocktail. Now for this, we're only gonna go 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Next up, our Campari. 1 ounce or 30 mils. And last but not least, our vermouth. Instead of going with the sweet vermouth, I'm going with our Vermouth Rouge from Noli Prat, one of my favorite vermouth companies in the world. 1 ounce or 30 mils. Got our big cube here. Give it a crack. And stir. Now give it a pour. Right to the top. Got a little bit of my orange essence here instead of using orange peel. And just go 1 and we're done. Our Kingstone Negroni for young Peter. Oh yeah, that orange essence just hits so strong. You can smell that Smith & Cross. Cheers to you, Peter. So good. God damn, that's a good cocktail. It is sweet, but bitter. Spirit forward, while also being a little light. Just a little bit of that molasses sweetness coming from the Plantation Dark. Then you get those kind of those funky, almost agricole notes from the Smith & Cross. The Campari, that beautiful sweetness mixed with bitterness. And I will always say in every video I ever make, Noli Prat is one of the best, if not the best, vermouth on the planet. So good. If you want to check out the recipe on how to make my cocktail essence, click right up there. And if you want to check out the rest of my Yes Chef recipes, click right there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.